We, the jury, find Damien Eccles guilty of capital murder in the death of Michael Moore. We, the jury, find Jason Baldwin guilty of capital murder in the death of Stevie Branch.
Poppy.
We, the jury, find
Poppy.
Jason Baldwin guilty of capital murder.
What are you doing?
Fires. And we, the jury, find Jason Baldwin guilty
Are you recording me?
of Michael Moore.
Ass.